Hello everyone, this is Teacher Anne, your online tutor. For today, we're going to talk about one of the important lessons in math, which is on evaluating rational expressions. First, let us define what rational expressions are. These are the ratios of two polynomials. And you've heard of a word polynomial. And this is actually a group of numeric terms joined by the operations of addition and subtraction. Now, there are actually kinds of polynomials when it comes to its number of terms. Okay, let's start with the first one. You call it monomial. Second is a binomial from the term itself, bi, which means two. We have the mono, meaning one. And the third one is trinomial. You have there three terms. Here is an example. The first one is a monomial. You have 4, 5x, 3x to the power of 4, 8xy squared. And these are just a few examples of a monomial, or a type of polynomial which has only one term. Second, you have binomial, meaning it's two, or the number of terms will be two. You have x plus 3, x squared minus 1. Then going back, you have another example as well. You have there x squared minus 1, 3xy plus 2y. For us to be able to know that it has, or an example has two terms, excuse me, you have here an operation. This does not only give you an operation as an addition as an operation. You also have the subtraction symbol right here. Okay, now for trinomial, what you would remember is that there are three terms in a polynomial, or in an example. You have there the first one, x squared plus 5x plus 6. Another example, x squared. You have an operation which is subtraction, minus 2xy plus y squared. Okay, that's just an overview on the types of polynomials with regards to their number of terms. Okay, let's proceed with an example on evaluating the expressions for x equals 4 and y equals a negative 5. So here are the two examples. 4xy, which is only one term, over x plus y, which is which has two terms. Second, you have the 5x over x squared plus xy. So first thing you shall do is that you're given with the value of x, same with the value of y in here, which is a negative 5. So what you will do is that to substitute the values of these. So that would be, let's have this one. Okay, 4x, we got 4 rather, we got 4 in here with the given value, which is value of x, which is 4. Then enclose it in parentheses, which is the y right here is equal to a negative 5. So that, okay, we got this one. And x right here is 4. plus a negative 5. So if we multiply 4 times 4 minus 5, you will be able to get, okay, 16. 16 comes from 4 multiplied by 4, and copy negative 5. So this is just to show you a process on how to evaluate the expression. 4 right here is copy, and a 5 when you multiply on operation just plus, and or if you multiply addition multiplied by a negative sign, you will be able to get a negative 1. I mean a negative symbol as an answer. So 4 minus 5. So that's not yet the final answer. Here is a final answer, 80. We got it by multiplying 16 times negative 5. That's negative 80. And 4 minus 5. So you got a negative 1. But this is when you divide a negative sign by a negative sign, you will be able to get a positive sign. So that is 80 as a final answer. Okay, now you may comment down below if there is clarification on the process on evaluating the expressions. Let's try the second number. 5x over x squared plus xy. The same process, you are to substitute. Okay, first is to substitute the values of x and the y right here. So 5 multiplied by 4, since you have the value of x, which is 4. And 4 squared, the same thing. X is equal to 4, so you replace it with 4. Or you substitute the x in here. 4 squared plus 4 times a negative 5. So first thing is to multiply the ones in the numerator, which is 5 times 4. So that's equal to 20. And the ones in the denominator, start with the ones in parentheses because we have a process called PEMDAS. So the first thing you should multiply is the ones in parentheses, but followed by the exponent right here. So in here, I just showed you the direct process. So 4 squared is equal to 16 plus 4 minus 5, that's equal to a negative 20. 20, okay, the same thing, since we can no longer have any process in here because there's only one number in there, nothing else, no more additional operation. So copy 20 and solve the ones in the denominator. 6, that would be how did we get negative 4? So we got it from here. This is still equal to 16 minus 20. So that would be a negative 4. And you can still simplify 20 by 4. You divide as well 20, since this is divisible by 4. So you have 20 divided by 4, that's equal to 5. And negative 4 divided by 4, that's equal to 1. So it's the final answer here is a negative 5. Now we'll try the third one, which is x plus 3y over 4x minus y. I'd like to comment down below for your answers. Thank you so much, and God bless us all. See you in my next vlog.